Know the Wolf here. Today I'm going to be reading a fanfic called The Cactus. My first one ever. It's actually the first video I've done talking on my channel. So give a thumbs up and I hope you enjoy. And first, a warning before listening. This is a gruesome and gory is based on MLP. I don't own any of this. Not even the characters. If you're young and sensitive, I advise that you do not listen to this, or you'll be scarred for life. Thank you. A darkness, some pony coughed. Who was it? A silence reigned. Who? A dim violet light sprang into the beam. Twilight Sparkle's horn barely illuminated the cramped, windowless room of the 6 ponies within. A world of dark purples and inky blacks sprung into the beam, colors distorted by the Montrum era of the magical implant. Shadows pulled in the corners, lurking just beyond the reach of the unicorn spell. Rainbow Dash watched as Twilight glared at each of their friends in turn. None spoke. Silhouettes danced along the walls. The unicorn moved her head, causing the light jerk and shift. Pinkie Pie huddled near a barred door, eyes wide and uncomprehending as she stared off into the uncertain distance. The baker twitched slightly, squeezing the bag of flour that she clutched so tightly onto her chest. On the room's only bed, Rarity lay next to Applejack, her head buried into the farmer's shoulder. The dressmaker shook as she sobbed quietly. Dash didn't know whether unicorns' distress is because of the situation or because of their hygiene. The room reeked of unwashed bodies. Rarity's mane, like every pony else's, was tangled and knotted and hung heavy with filth. Applejack, for her part, merely stared stoically at Twilight Sparkle. When the librarian's gaze turned to her, and then those eyes were on Dash and on Fluttershy. The two were locked and embarrassed. It was the only comfort they had in the room. The weather pony found her voice when the other two Pegasus began to shudder. What does it matter? Twilight Sparkle's brow furrowed. Get serious, Dash. It's better the 5 of us to get through this than none of us. Coughing is the only warning we get. Fluttershy's whispered carried through all. Couldn't we, wait and see? It probably could be just a duster gold leaf. I really wish that we could risk it, Fluttershy, Twilight said, the sharp edge of her voice softening lightly. But there's no going back. Once the reaches final stage, you saw what happened out there. Do you really want that in here? Applejack spoke up. She's right, Q. It's not contagious until the end. We got a choice to make. 1 death or 6. Rainbow Dash gritted her teeth. Isn't there anything that can be done? Your magic, cure it. Stop it. Slow it down. She paused, then added in a hoarse whisper. Anything? Unicorn shook her head. Even a princess can't cure it. Even a princess can't cure it. She can only contain the outbreaks. What do happen? Every carrier has to die. That's the only way the rest of us can be safe. The only way the rest of Equestria can be safe. You know that, Dash. The time matters here. Why are you stalling? The weather pony's mouth worked. But no words came forth. Fluttershy's voice, suddenly confident, filled up the gap. I coughed. It was me. Rainbow Dash gaped at the other Pegasus, eyes wide and shocked in horror. The pink-domain mare turned and looked at her expellant once again. It's okay. It'll all be okay. I couldn't live with myself if any of you died. I couldn't have prevented it. It's better this way. Dash shook her head slowly and whispered a single no. Applejack's voice was grim. Her mind's made up. It's a tough choice, but Fluttershy's got the strength of an ox on the inside. How is she going to? The Pegasus trailed off. Twilight Sparkle sighed and slumped on the floor. We don't have any weapons, and I'm not trained in combat magic. If I were, even if I were, it can't be me. It has to be you, Dash. What? Why me? The unicorn looked away. I know you will well enough realize that you'd never just stand aside and let any of us lay a hoof on your filly friend. But until you know that it's necessary, your emotions get the better of you. Ask yourself if it's has to be says. Would you really want any pony but yourself too? Mary Dash rose at her. You're right. The mare's voice was hollow. She stepped away from the other Pegasus. Applejack spoke. Fluttershy, sit up and put your head against the wall. It will be a myth. A myth. The mare choked back tears. Quicker. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Rainbow Dash. I'm so sorry, Rainbow Dash. I just wish it could be another way, Twilight said. The rainbow-maned Pegasus looked over her shoulder. She met eyes with the mare she loved. Fluttershy had taken the Earth Pony's advice. They stared at each other for a silent moment. Dash eventually found words. They were, I'm sorry. I love you. I'm so sorry. The other Pegasus replied, voice shaking. I love you too. And I forgive you. It's better this way. Just make sure somebody takes care of the animals when this is all over. When everything is back to normal. Rainbow Dash whispered, I promise. She took it carefully and one buck. It could be quick. Fluttershy deserved that much, at least. When she served to make a night, vision or not, she spoke. Cut the light, Twilight. No pony should have to see this. The horn's glow disappeared. Years of running and kicking clouds had honed on Dash's muscles. She reared up her front legs and gathered all of her strength and kicked out. She connected. The dull thud was uncontained. The sensation of warm droplets splattering across her flank. It was followed by a high-pitched moan from the organized pony behind her. Rainbow reacted to Fluttershy's continued suffering without thought. She reared again and bucked repeatedly, steadying herself, aiding forward with swift flaps of her wings. On her fourth kick, the mare's knees stopped with a sickening crunch. The weather mare's hooves dropped back on the floor. She stood shaking, her eyes wide and her heart beating nearly out of her chest. Her her fat locks were drenched with sticky blood. She could feel it beginning to clot. She was wondering, despite herself, whether the mess would stain. Her coat would always bear the red residue of her deed. She swept away quietly to herself. She wept away. Silence regained. In the darkness, some pony coughed. Thank you, everybody. That was the cough. Now that kind of creeped me out myself. very happy that you guys listen to this. And thank you for the 10 follows that you got me. That's actually a big thing for me since I'm like new to YouTube and all that. La 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 la. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button. If you want me to do any more fanfic reading, just comment on my YouTube video. I will respond quickly if I can, quickly as I can. And I'm sorry about the voices. I couldn't get them right. Well, anyway, thank you.